Crafteria, Crafteria, Crafteria.
Hello, it's Crafteria and welcome to another video. Today I will be sharing with you a couple of projects using some of the recent products I got from Beebeecraft. If you've not heard of Beebeecraft, they're an awesome online company and they have all sorts of goodies that you can choose from. I also have a coupon code that is Tiggeria15, Tiggeria 15, and you will get $5 off of $40. And they also have worldwide free shipping on $39 or more. My coupon code expires May 1st of 2023, so you do have quite a bit of time to use it. I will put links to all of the products in the description box below, so please do check them out. I am part of their YouTube program where I get to go on their website, choose a bunch of items, and they send it to me for free in exchange for making a few videos for them, one unboxing video and two project tutorial videos. Their YouTube program is open to those of us that have a YouTube channel with 100 or more subscribers. So if you fit in that category, you might want to check them out. I will put that link in the description box below. So let's go ahead and get started. I will be making 2 Christmas cards today. I will be recycling these 2 used Christmas cards. And I will be, like I said, using products from Beebeecraft. I picked these 2 because sometimes I find Christmas cards that just have words a little hard to work with. And I find that I really need to do something extra to make them super pretty. Well, I just happen to have the products from Beebeecraft to do so. So let's go ahead and get started. These are larger cards, so I have these 2 card bases that are 5x7 card bases. One is green and one is red. I will use them to mat these with. The other products that I'm going to be using from Beebeecraft are this beautiful trim, their star trim in gold and silver. And then I also have some charms and some cabochons that I will be using. I'm so excited to work with these products. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and start with this Merry Christmas card. So what I will do first is just cut the Christmas cards down to size. I think I'll cut both of them while I have my paper trimmer out. I'm just going to cut the front off of this card. I think I will do this one on the red. And that is really a good size for it. The only thing is there is a little mark on the bottom, a little, I guess you could call it a flaw or a dimple in the card. So I'm just going to trim the bottom. And then just to make it even on both sides, I will trim a little bit off of each side. Sometimes when you get cards that you're recycling, the edges have gotten dinged up a little bit, but that's okay. I straightened that out and I think that looks great. And then I will go ahead and trim this one. And I don't believe I can use any of the inside. This one I might be able to salvage. This one here, the words are too close. The writing is a little too close to the words to use, but I'm going to put this in my scrap paper drawer because that buffalo check pattern would definitely be good for something else. And let me look and see how much of this I need to trim away. I do need to take a little bit off of each edge. I'm just eyeballing it, and a little bit off the top and the bottom. There we go. I like the way that looks. I want to leave enough on the top and the bottom to put my trim, so I didn't want to cut that too far down. All right, let's go ahead and start with this one. I think I'll use the gold star trim for this. This star trim is so pretty. I'm just going to cut it out so it's the right size. And then I will cut another one for the top. These cards are going to be fast and easy to put together. I'm going to get my adhesive and I will adhere this card down to the card base. If you want to, on this type of card, you can mat them on another color, but since my card bases are already in a contrasting color, I don't think I need to mat it on anything. Especially with the 5x7 cards, I kind of like to keep it light. And I'm going to place the star trim on the top and the bottom like that. And to place these stars down, I'm going to use some of this wet adhesive. I just happen to have some of this art glitter glue. You can use tacky glue, Elmer's glue, anything that you happen to have. You can even use a double-sided adhesive if you'd like. And just press that down. And then I'll do the same thing for the other piece. I'm just putting a dot of this glue behind each star. I usually use Elmer's glue. I just happen to have the art glitter glue out on my desk because I was using it in my live show the other night. And I'm just going to press that down. It'll take a few minutes to dry since the card is shiny and it is a non-porous surface. I'm going to press that down really good. And then wipe off any additional excess adhesive. All right, let's go ahead and do the other card while we're at it. And then I'll decorate them both. I'm going to use my adhesive on the back of this one. And for this one, I will use the silver hearts. I'm going to cut these two end ones off since they got wrinkled in the packaging. And then for this one, just to be different, I will use a strip of adhesive along the card to adhere the stars. So you could do it either way that you like. If you like to use wet adhesive or dry, they both work well. There we go. They both are looking good. I like it so far. And let's go ahead and work on this one. For this one, I thought I would stay a little bit fancy and use some of these beautiful charms from Beebeecraft. We have their metal charms, and the back is gold. And we have Santa, and we have snowmen. We have a couple of those fun stockings and that fun stocking. I believe there's 2 of each. We have a couple of candy canes and then a couple of reindeer. And I thought I would hang one of these stockings from the M in Mary, just to add a little bit of fun to it, because I don't know that I like it anywhere else. Trying to decide which one I like. I like this one. I just think it kind of goes well with the font. And these charms have this little loop at the top, so I want to tie a bow in that loop. So I have a piece of this green ribbon, and I'm just going to feed it right through that little hole. And I will tie a knot and tie a bow just like a shoelace bow, really. Just pull my loops so they're smaller. Then I will just trim the little edges or the ends off. And then I have that cute little stocking. I'm going to use a glue dot on the back of it. These are actually balloon dots, but they work great as glue dots, and they work great to hold something heavy like this. I'm just going to stick that to the back of the charm, and then I will just stick the charm right down onto the card. There we go, and that card is done, and I will set it aside. And then I want to add an embellishment to this card. So for this one, I thought I would use some of these enamel cabochons. Let me show you what we have. These are also, of course, from Beebeecraft. We have Santa, and we have the cute little bear, snowman, and there are 2 of each of these as well. We have the Christmas tree. We have another whimsical Christmas tree and some bells and some more little presents. We have 2 of him. Then we have the brown bear and another Santa, and the Christmas tree, more presents, the penguin, and then the other Christmas tree. So let's see which ones I want to use on this card. I see already that I really like that Christmas tree. It goes really good with all of the colors on the card and the colors of that holly. And I think I will put that one down at the bottom. And then I just want something up in the top corner over here. I do like that bell. It tends to blend in a little bit. Maybe I think I will use instead the penguin, since he is black and white and it goes really good with the font being black and white. So there we have those two, and I will use glue dots to adhere these as well. And I will cut out 2 of the glue dots. And you can use something like tacky glue on the back of these. That works really well as also. I just want it to dry fast for the video, so the glue dots are instant. There we go. These little shapes are so much fun to work with. I really like these guys. They are so much fun. And even this guy too, the other bear. So much fun. They make me smile. So there we have this card, super easy. I love this star trim. It is so pretty and elegant on your cards. And like I said, I have a really hard time deciding what to do with the cards that just have words on them like that. And this came out great. I love it. The gold star trim goes really good with the gold on that little ornament too. And it looks like it's hanging off of that M. And then these look really good with the background. I love the way these cards came out. I hope you enjoyed this as well. If you haven't yet checked out Beebeecraft, please do go check out their website. If you do and you see a product you love, come back and link it in the comments below. I would love to see the products that you are interested in as well. And the next time I order, I might just order some of them and bring you some projects with it. Please do leave me a comment below and let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite card is or what your favorite item is that I used today. Be sure to check out Beebeecraft's website. I will put all of the links, including my coupon code, in the description box below. And they also have free worldwide shipping on orders of $40 or more. So that is definitely an awesome deal. I have a lot of viewers that are in different countries, and I know you guys have a harder time getting the same craft supplies that we do here. Well, this is a perfect way to do so. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do click on that subscription button. I'd love to have you be one of my subscribers. Also, if you haven't yet checked out my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea, I'd love to have you over there in our wonderful crafting community. Everybody there is so nice. It's such a great group. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate you. And until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.